Allow me to introduce myself. I am Queen Amdi, a WhatsApp user bot created by Black Amda, and I'm here to assist you with different tasks. Processing the command list. Here is the Queen Amdi command list.
Hello, welcome back to Techno Minds Official. Today I'm gonna teach you how to install the most popular WhatsApp bot to your phone. Watch the entire video because everything I say is important. By the way, this video of ours has qualified for a competition. Give us your valuable like to this video to win it. First, you need to go to amdinuwasa.com, website link in the description. Choose your language. Click Install button. Step 1. Press the Run on Replit button. You will now be redirected to the Replit website. Now press the Play button. Now you can see the QR code. If you want to zoom out, press Ctrl+-. Now go to WhatsApp in your phone. Click on Link Device and scan the QR code. Then copy the white code. Now let's move on to the second step. Click Deploy to Heroku button and create an account in Heroku and verify your Gmail. Then you need to enter a new password. It must have 8 letters, numbers, and symbols. Now we are in the working space where the bot create. Give a valid name to the bot. Now paste the white code, copied from QR code. Change the copywriting caption only if you want to. Find the Heroku API key in the account settings in this way. Copy the code and paste it in the appropriate place. In the Heroku app name field, enter the bot name you used earlier. You can now go to the Imgbb website. And create an account there and verify your Gmail. Go about and click on API. Get it using the Get API key. Copy and paste it in the appropriate place. Change the language if you want. Click on Deploy App. Be patient a few minutes. After completed, then go to Manage App, click on Resources, and set it as follows. Now click on More, and go to View Logs. You can see the bot is creating. Now the bot is created. Your WhatsApp has received a message from your own number.
Rave.